Good morning, dear students. So today we have another assignment in a series of Google Docs. It is called calendar making. So we're going to make a calendar. We're focusing on only 1 month of the year, which is September. So let's see what we have under your folder. So you're going to go to your Google Classroom, pick your computer class, and then on the classwork, I posted today's assignment under Friday. So today's Friday, week of September 11th through September 15th. So today's 15th, end of the week. And then this is your last assignment for this week. Let's see what we have here. So we're going to click on an open view instructions so that we are able to add a file. As I told you earlier, guys, I strongly suggest you to open your Google Docs through here, because in that case, you're going to have a turn-in button. Otherwise, if you open it some other way, then you have to attach it here, and then it takes a little extra effort. So students will design a calendar of the month September using table, images, and shapes. Please look up the month. I misspelled it. I'll fix it. Look up the month of September on Google or calendar. And again, I misspelled it. I'm going to fix it. Sorry, guys. Now, let's click on add or create, open a Google Docs so that we can start designing our calendar. And then for the calendar, there are two ways you can look it up, guys. Let me open this first. So first way is on the right bottom corner, we usually have this little time and date. If you click on the date, it should show you the calendar. So this is the calendar. Since we are in September, we're lucky. We're going to make this calendar, or you could look it up on Google. So if you go on Google and then you type month of September, let's say 2023. Let's see if we have it. And then, yes, so you could also open this image and just have an idea how to make the table. All right, I'm gonna open this. You could, yeah, here we go. We just need to see it. That's all. So if you were to look here, or if you were to look in another place, then here that you would have to define number of columns and rows. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need 7 columns, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6 rows. So 7 by 6, it's more than enough. That's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna add a 7 column and 6 row table. So it's gonna be 7 columns, and then 6 row. You know, I think we might need more, because we also need to add this writing September. So it's going to be 7 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. So let's make it 7 by 7. Let's be on the safe side. So let's make it 7 by 7. And let's gonna do it. All right, so there we go. So this is our table. So at this point, what we're gonna do is, so well, we need to make it look like this calendar. So as you can see, they have to be identical cells. We have to make them into squares. So we're gonna highlight them all as usual, and then just change the height of only one cell so that it applies to all. So I'm gonna make it this way. Okay, this is big enough. Now, next step is, since we don't need 7 rows, I'm gonna highlight these rows, guys, and then also I'm going to make them into one. So 7 cells become one when we merge them together. Okay, so how do we merge them? If you guys look on here, we have a tool that allows us to merge the cells. You actually can do it also using a right click. So you're gonna use your 2 fingers, you touch them on the mouse pad, and then it's gonna open a right button of your mouse. If you don't have a mouse, it's a 2-finger touch on your mouse pad. So we're gonna make it right click, and then we should have an option which says merge cells. You see, merge cells means put them together. So there we go. And then we're gonna type September 2023, since this is the year. And then if you check the calendar again, we're gonna write the name of the weeks, which starts with Sunday. So we're gonna say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yes, exactly. The first letters of each the name of the weekdays. And then next, we're gonna write the numbers. So as you can see here, we can leave this portions blank because this is part of previous month, which is August. So we're gonna start writing numbers from Friday. So it's gonna be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, guys. So here I filled out the table. So these are the numbers, days of the, and the dates of the calendar, and then each date corresponds to a day of the week. For, let's say September 13th is Wednesday, and then today is Friday. It is September 15th. Okay. So at this point, what we have to do is we need to give this calendar a style. All right. So let's highlight this and then make it let's say I would go with this 30 font size 30, and then the weekdays of the week will be slightly bigger as well. Let's make them 20. Actually, we can keep them 23, and then the rest of the cells we can make them slightly bigger. Let's say 15 would be, I think, enough. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna color it. You can pick any color, so just use your taste, give it a color. For example, I would color the cell into this color, and then I'm gonna highlight all the weekdays, make them bold, and then give the cells a different color maybe. Let's go with light blue, and then the rest of the cells will be which is the best matching color, not Pro coloring. Yeah, it could be something like this. See, it looks like a nice calendar. You could actually print it out and use it. Now, depending on the days of the September, if you guys have some special days, let's say you have special occasions on the September, you have a birthday, you have your parents' birthday, you have your friend's birthday, you have there's a I don't know, events of any kind. Let's fill it out with several events. For example, let's say this is my friend's birthday, right? So you're gonna click on let's say September 20 is my friend's birthday. What you want to do is you want to go to insert and add some sort of drawing or image. So you're gonna go to image, or you could go to drawing and add something. Draw something yourself, or you could add I don't know, image drawing, or could be an emoji as well. We have emojis as well, but I'll go with a little image. So search on web. I'm gonna search up, let's say birthday. Okay, let's say birthday, and then we can have this little image attached in here. You see, 20th is my birthday, let's say. Or another special day, 9/11, for example, September 9/11. We want to go again and search up 9/11, remembrance of 9/11, and then we could add, for example, this, right, on 9/11, and so on. So please add several events in your calendar, and then this is it for today. All right, we also can do the final touch. We can make this letters in the middle of, so you see it's on the left side of the cell, but we can align it to the middle. So we would highlight this whole row. It's highlighted, you don't see it, it's because it's blue. And then you would go here and then pick center line, and that would be in the middle. And then also numbers. You choose, guys. If you want, you can keep it left upper corner. You could make it down. Let's say if you want to make it down left corner, you would again go here, left, and we also have another option. Let me see where it is. Or you just keep it where it is, guys. Or you can align it some other places. Okay. Let me see if we have it here. Yeah, this is what they. All right, thank you, guys. So this is all. Just add several more events. I added 2. You can add up to 5 or 6. And then this is gonna be it. So after you're done, you're gonna click on turn in, and it's gonna be turned in. All right, thank you very much. This is it for today.